Hey, welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video, we're going to show you how to set a Volvo rear parking brakes on service mode. So if you got electronic parking brakes, in order to replace those rear brake pads, what you need to do is place the rear brakes in service mode. So you'll have the service brakes there. You want to turn on the ignition, but do not start the car. So all your dash lights should be on. And then you'll come here to the scanner, and then go to maintenance, and then go to scroll down EPB, electronic parking brake, select Volvo down here, smart VIN. It just detects the model, so you don't have to do that manually. This is a 2014 S60, and then go to parking brake service position. It tells you what and what not to do here, basically, so read those instructions. And then vehicle must be stopped, ignition should be turned on. If it's not on, you won't be able to, nothing will happen on the next step. Engine needs to be off though, and battery voltage needs to be above 12 volt. Press continue, and then here you can see how the current position. Maintenance mode is on no status, so meaning that the rear park brakes are not open or released. So what you want to do is activate the service mode right down here at the bottom. Now it takes a few seconds for that. You should hear the rear parking brakes release, as you can hear that. And then maintenance mode is currently no. It should change to yes, but it takes a couple of seconds for those pistons to kind of retract back. You can see there it's telling us to wait a few more seconds. And then it says finished, maintenance mode yes. So now you can go ahead and replace those rear brakes, brake pads, rotors, or do any work you got to do back there. And then once you're done, you'll come back here and press exit service mode. And this takes a few seconds as well, but these should switch from maintenance mode to yes. It should switch back to no as to what it was before. But that's it. Pretty simple, straightforward. And thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.